Okay guys, with this quick video I will show you and give you some reviews about top traffic ads.com. This is one of the best traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can promote ClickBank or any CPA offers like Max Bounty, Perfly. You can promote adult traffic. You can promote landing pages. You can promote your own website to rank your website higher in search engine like Google and Bing. Also, you can basically you can promote any link you want, and you can get unlimited traffic guaranteed. Before I will show you this website traffic, this great website traffic, I will show you some proof how in my Google Analytics the traffic that I am getting from top traffic ads.com, and then I will show you how to use this website to get real traffic and unlimited leads. Okay, so basically here you can see top traffic ads.com. I am getting right now 20 from USA. All the traffic that I am getting right now is from USA. You will get unlimited traffic, worldwide traffic. Okay, this is a worldwide traffic, but very important to get also traffic from USA. And like you see, I am getting unlimited traffic from USA. And this is a great traffic to promote your link, and great to use this traffic to grow your business. Okay, and you can see I am using this traffic over 2 months for now. You can see every here's the date. Okay, this is real stats, Google Analytics stats. Okay, so you can see when I start, I get here 4,000 visitors, 800. You can see 2,600, and here 800, and grow 8,000. And you can see 10,000 visitors, 10,000, and 10,000 visitors daily. Daily I am getting unlimited traffic from this great website, and I think you can use this website to promote your any link. Okay, you can promote your ClickBank affiliate link, and you can promote any link you want. Okay, so basically I will show you this website, the dashboard of this website. This is the front, like you see. Are you looking for safe, cheap advertising for your website? This is very important, guys. If you want to promote your affiliate link, you have to get safe traffic. Okay, and this website will give you unlimited, safe, and cheap, very very cheap traffic to your affiliate link. So this is the dashboard, guys. You can get worldwide traffic and Alexa traffic, and you can see adult traffic. That's fantastic. You can promote any adult traffic from your CPA network. You can see here some websites, some advertisers. A lot of advertisers is from ClickBank and from CPA offers. I see some landing pages, and this is a video for this business. Okay, you can watch it later if you want. Okay, so basically this is the website. You can see you can get 35,000 visitors, only $19.39. This is a fantastic prices. Here you can see adult traffic, and you can see here Alexa traffic. That's if you want to rank your new website. Okay, if you have a new website, this traffic is fantastic to rank your new website higher in a search engine. And from there you will get unlimited traffic from Google and Bing and Yahoo and any search engine. Okay, so you can see you can get also mobile traffic. That's fantastic to promote your CPA offers. Also, you can promote any product using this great traffic, and this is very cheap traffic. This is amazing traffic and very cheap, and very important is safety for your affiliate link. Okay, you can see live campaign here, 34 live campaign, satisfied customer over 6,000 customers, unlimited members from ClickBank, Perfly, Yunla, Max Bounty, CJ, JVSU, ClickSure, and Warrior Plus using this great traffic. Okay, and like you see, you can here is the form that you can put your name, your email, and your URL. Okay, this is very important, and very important to choose the correct affiliate network. If you have a landing page, you can use here a landing page. Okay, and you can see there is unlimited categories here. Okay, so you have to choose the correct category so you can get very target traffic. All members who's visiting or will visit, all members that will visit your website is English speakers. Okay, so this is a great to get traffic from this website, and here you can see all the packages and prices that you can choose to promote your website. Okay, so basically top traffic ads.com is one of the best traffic source to promote your affiliate. This is one of the best traffic source that I am using a long time, 2 months for now, and I really like it, and I will use it again and again to promote my affiliate link and to promote my landing pages. Okay, so I hope you like this video. This is my review about top traffic ads. If you have more traffic website, please you can share it with us in the description, so we can learn from you. Okay, Please, you can share your knowledge, and if you have a new traffic website, please you can share it in my below this video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please hit like, and please share my videos. Thank you again for watching, and have a good day. Thank you very much.